Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're planning to import medical devices into India, you have likely heard of the MD-15 import license. Today, we'll be your complete guide to obtaining this essential license. Everything you need to know, step by step. So, let's dive right in. What is the MD-15 import license? It's a mandatory certification required by the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, for importing medical devices into India. This license ensures that all imported medical devices meet Indian standards for safety and efficacy. Without this license, you cannot legally import or distribute medical devices in the Indian market. Now, who exactly needs this license? If you're an importer intending to bring medical devices into India, you are required to apply for an MD-15 license. This applies to all types of medical devices, from diagnostic tools to surgical equipment and even software-enabled devices. Now let's talk about the documentation. To obtain an MD-15 license, you typically need the following documents: a power of attorney, a self-attested copy of the manufacturer's valid license, a free sale certificate or marketing authorization, an inspection or audit report, an ISO 13485 certificate, a full quality assurance certificate or CE certificates depending on the device class. Here are some additional key points to keep in mind. Issuing authority. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, in India issues the MD-15 license. Application form. You will need to submit an MD-14 application form on the SUGAM portal. Device classification. The required documents may vary based on the classification of the medical device. Import agent. If you're not based in India, you will likely need to appoint an Indian agent to handle the application process. Other documents that might be required include company registration documents, site master file, device master file, performance evaluation report for in vitro diagnostic devices, test license if applicable. Remember, incomplete or incorrect documentation can delay your application, so make sure everything is accurate. Here's how to apply for the MD-15 import license in 5 simple steps. Register on the CDSCO portal, create an account and log in. Prepare and upload documents. Ensure all documents are in the correct format. Submit the application. Complete Form MD-14 and pay the prescribed fee. Await CDSCO review. The authorities will review your application and might request additional information. Receive your license. Upon approval, you'll receive the MD-15 import license. It's that simple, but it's crucial to ensure your application is error-free. While the process seems straightforward, there are common challenges like delays in approvals, missing documents, or compliance issues. To avoid these, ensure all documents are current and complete. Your application meets CDSCO's technical and compliance requirements. You respond promptly to any queries from CDSCO. If you're unsure about any step, it's always a good idea to consult a professional. Our expert team provides end-to-end assistance for obtaining the MD-15 import license. From documentation to application submission, we've got you covered. With our years of experience, we'll ensure your licensing process is smooth and hassle-free. So, are you ready to get your MD-15 import license? Contact us today and let us help you navigate the process seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable guides like this. See you next time.